Greetings from Great Used Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2019 Chevrolet Traverse LT package with leather, loaded up, 360 view camera, beautiful condition inside and out, drives like a dream, navigation, leather, loaded up, really in amazing shape. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around. It's got about 60,000 miles on the clock. Beautiful condition for the mileage and the age, really in outstanding shape. We'll go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's a really nice condition. White exterior color with black leather. All right, let's take a close look here. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Look at that, looks amazing. Super clean. Looks brand new, very nice condition. Headlamps are in amazing shape. Look at that, very nice. Fog lamps on the bottom, also in beautiful condition. 360 camera, look at this. It's got a camera mounted right here. Really amazing. Take a look at the bumper on this side, also beautiful condition. Headlamps in beautiful shape. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. Really nice, looks amazing. Super clean. Very nice condition. Let's take a look at the front fender. Driver's side, amazing condition, looks super clean. Front door on the driver's side. It's got a couple marks here on the paint and over here, and also a couple little marks up here on the paint also. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the rear door on the driver's side, amazing condition, clean throughout, nothing to show there, very nice. Quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful condition. It's got a small little mark right there on the paint and a small dent right there. Moldings look good, glass is in good shape, very nice condition. This one has a lane assist, so it has a little thing that lights up there in the mirror, letting you know when somebody's there next to you. Okay, rear hatch looks nice, really in great shape. Glass is in good condition. Take a look at the lights, close up on the lights here. Really nice. Fantastic, look at that. Taking a look at the back bumper. Back bumper has parking sensors, backup camera. This is an all-wheel drive, really nice. It's got some little bit of damage here on the edge of this bumper. Some scratches down here. Besides that, looks good. All right, taking a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side, looks amazing, super clean, very nice. All right, taking a look at the door on the passenger side rear, looks amazing also. Front door on the passenger side looks amazing. Look at the mirrors in beautiful shape, very nice. Take a look at the chrome pieces, the glass. Moldings look really nice, beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Here we go, we're looking at the edge of this little door right here. It's got a couple little chips here on the edge. Besides that, looks good. Front fender on the passenger side, amazing condition. Windshield's in good shape, does have a couple chips on it right here, 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 and here. Besides that, looks good. Let's take a look at the roof. Quick walk around here on the roof. Looks good. Don't see anything to show here on top. Looks very nice overall. See the windshield on this side. Does also have a couple marks on it here on this side. Let's show you the other cameras here. So this has another camera here built into the mirror. Here we go, right there. And then there's another camera over here, the backup camera. And then we also have the other camera, which is on the other mirror right there. There you go. And then of course, the one we showed you when we really just started the video, you have another camera right there. So it's really cool. A little bit further in the video, you'll see how that works. Really nice to see those cameras. It gives you an upward view of the whole vehicle. That's amazing. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and complete this walk around right now. We're gonna take a look at the interior. and then we're going to take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at the controls. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Control for the rear hatch. Very nice. Bose system. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Look at that. Full set of controls. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Really in beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Take a look at the armrest. Very nice. Really in beautiful shape. Bose system on this vehicle. Very nice condition. Take a look at the passenger seat. Passenger seat is in beautiful shape. Look at the stitching on there. It looks super sharp. Leather's in beautiful shape. Power seat for the passenger with lumbar. Very nice. Take a look at the dashboard. Beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Super, super clean. Looks amazing. Okay, now we're looking at the rear. Driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Look at the armrest. Very nice condition. Super clean. Let's take a look at the rear seat. Beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Really amazing shape. Let's take a look at the third row from this side. Very nice condition. Super clean. Very nice. Great shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at the controls for the power window. Very nice. Look at that. Amazing condition. Take a look at the rear seat. On passenger side, beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice. Full set of floor mats. Very nice condition all the way through. Look at that. Amazing shape. Liner's in beautiful shape. Take a look. Very nice condition. It's got little vents on the ceiling for the AC. Really nice feature. Amazing. Let's take a look at the rear seat. Let's pop it forward like that. Rear seat's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Super clean. Really an amazing shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2019 Chevrolet Traverse LT package all-wheel drive. We're going to go ahead and start it up. Let's take a look at the key fob, lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch, and panic. So we'll set that down here. The cup holder's got a push button start. We'll start it right up. Look at that. Fantastic. Look like I need some washer fluid. We'll take care of that. No big deal. Mileage on this one, 63,352. Fantastic. Look at that. Fuel gauge, RPMs, miles per hour. So it's got a little information center. We can scan through it real quick. Let's take a look what shows up. So you got your trip computers there, your average per mile. Look at that. Fuel range, the oil, tire pressure sensors, fuel economy, timer in case you want to set that, voltage for the battery, transmission fluid. This one's an all-wheel drive, so you can set it for all-wheel drive or two-wheel drive. Fantastic. And then go back to speed. If you go here on the side, you have settings here for audio, for phone, navigation, and other options. So we'll just go ahead and leave it right now on info right there for now. Okay, so those controls are from here. It also has to speak the controls here for the phone in case you want to hang up or something. You have your cruise control here, your front and rear wipers there, your turning signals. Fantastic. Highlights. Fantastic. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic lights. Fantastic. Take a look at the dashboard. Beautiful condition all the way through. Amazing shape. Look at that. Can't get any better than that. Look how beautiful that looks. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Okay, let's take a look at some of the features on the radio. We'll go to the radio station. So that's, you've got your AM, FM, your media. You can connect your device, pair it to listen to that stuff. It's got a bunch of memories there, presets from XM radio, the regular radio stations and stuff. Super cool. All right, we'll go back again. Phone, that's where you pair your phone. Back again, projection. That's if you want to project your phone onto the screen. Navigation, this was really nice. Got navigation there. Fantastic. Go back again. Settings. We're going to go straight to the settings here. Well, it says Bluetooth, vehicle. Here we go. Vehicle shows you the safety features, parking assist, rear cross traffic, and lane alert. Then you have all your other settings of Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, the Wi-Fi. Okay, fantastic. So those are the settings. Go back again. Weather, if you want to subscribe to that. Text, when you have your phone paired. OnStar. Rear climate control settings, you can set those up from here. The camera, backup camera, amazing. Cross traffic, all that stuff. If you want to subscribe to that, they'll show you traffic alerts and stuff. A bunch of other apps here. You can download whatever you want. Fantastic. Go back home again. Take a look here at the controls. This one has manual modes here if you put it on L. So that's super nice. Parking brake release. This controls for the all-wheel drive. So you turn it here for four-wheel drive. And then you can turn it again. And that's for off-road. Fantastic. We'll put it back on two-wheel drive. Really quick here. All set. There you go. All the way back. Down below here, power plug for your phone. Auxiliary, 2 USBs right there. Climate control AC. Driver, passenger. And there's a third zone in the back, which has another temperature setting. So you can go ahead and set up your heated seats if you need those. And turn them off right now. There you go. You can sync the whole system together if you'd like. Pretty nice. Really beautiful condition. Super, super clean. Let's take a look up above here. You've got your controls for your garage door openers that are programmable. You have your OnStar, your SOS. Tells you if the airbag next to you is turned on or not. If somebody's sitting there. So that was a weight pressure sensor for that. Take a look on top here. You got your visors, little LED lights. Nice feature. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Let's take a look. It's got a little tray there. Beneath that, a lot more storage. Glove box. Got your set of books in there. Really nice. Let's take a quick look at the ceiling here from the inside. Ceiling's in beautiful shape. Looks super clean. Very nice. Beautiful condition. All right, that's pretty much it. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. We're all set to take it for a test drive. Here we go. We have it in gear. Here we go. Really nice. Feels super smooth. Feels good. Very quick. Super quiet. Drive is really nice. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and check out the backup camera, and that'll pretty much conclude our test drive here. Here we go. Super nice. Okay, so let's select the little spot right here. We'll turn in. Check out the backup camera now as soon as you put in reverse. There you go. Super nice. So as we get closer to something here, You get a little flashing triangle there, letting you go you're getting close. And then here on the actual cluster here, it'll show you what sensor you're getting too close on. So if we keep going back a little bit more, it'll probably beep a little more there. Right there, we just hit the stopper. So yeah, the closer you get, the more little lines will fill up there, let you know what you're gonna hit. And then of course you have the flashing thing there, and it shows you the camera. Also really cool, this one shows the vehicle from top, so that's super nice. We put it in drive, that's giving us the front camera. So this is what they call the 360 view. So now when we drive off, if we're gonna get close to a car or something in the front, we can see the car right there. Then you could also see it up there on top. See that? That is really cool. Really nice when you're parking. And then as soon as you take off, it goes back to normal. So that's pretty much our test drive. So stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the cargo space in the back. Check out the power rear hatch. Look at the tires. And check out the engine compartment. Be right back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test out the rear hatch. It's got a button down here you can press, or you can do it with the remote. Very nice. Take a look here. Door works perfect. Let's look at the rug in here. Looks perfect. Amazing condition. Very nice shape. It's got a little power plug there. Down below here, you got storage down here. Beneath that, that's where the spare tire is. Really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and close it up. You press the button here. There you go. Fantastic. Works perfect. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Looks very nice. Really in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. We're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Does have a couple scuffs right here. Besides that, it's in amazing condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Tire's in beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Very nice. Does have a couple little marks right here. Besides, that's an amazing condition. We're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Has a couple scratches here and here. Besides, that's in beautiful shape. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2019 Chevrolet Traverse all-wheel drive LT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. It's got about 60,000 miles on it. Leather interior, navigation, all the toys. Also has 360 view backup camera. Really in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.